Welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a Temu unbagging for you. Now this is stuff that I have purchased myself with my own money. This is not sponsored, but I am an affiliate with Temu, so all the information will be in the description box along with any links of the items that I'm about to show you, if they're still in stock, and how much I paid for them. Well, actually, it's probably going to be what they are listed at as of right now, because the prices change every day. So, all right, so this is actually a big bag full of Temu stuff, and it's actually about 3 Temu orders in one bag. But I went ahead and I've just got this set over to the side out of the way. But I'm going to go ahead and show you a few things that I've already pulled out. So, if you are following me, you know that I diamond paint, and I have been doing some coasters. Well, some of the coasters that they have sent me from the companies I've purchased them from do not have these cork backings. So I was going to get some from Amazon, but I come across these on Temu, and this is a set of 30, and I only gave $2.48 for these, and they're the same thing as what Amazon has got. So what this is a cork. This is made out of that cork, and it sticks to the back of the coasters, so that when you put them on the table, they don't slide, they don't scratch up your furniture or whatever. Well, if I can get a hold of it and pull it off. So it's extremely sticky. And like I said, they just go on the back of coasters. And I just thought this was a great deal for 30. They were $2.48. And I probably am going to get some more because I've got a lot of coasters. I just don't know how many I have that doesn't have this cork back. Okay, so the other thing that I want to show is this. Now, I've already showed one in a previous video, but it's different than this one. The little slots are on a different side, and it was also bigger, and it was square. So I gave $4.81 for this, and with all the price adjustments and stuff, I don't think that I actually gave $4.81 for this. It was probably a lot cheaper. I do remember a couple of times there being a price adjustment on it. I just don't remember how far down it got. So this has got 2 drawers, and this is made out of acrylic, plastic, whatever. This is plastic. The drawers are pretty deep. Let me bring y'all up some. I don't know why this is just like all the way down on the table, it looks like. So right here is where you pull it out like that. You just kind of put your finger in there and pull that out. It's got a place up here to where you can set some stuff, and then it's got 3 compartments to where you can put pens, markers, scissors, whatever you want to put. So I got this one to go with the other one to set on my desk to try to get some stuff on my desk organized. So not a bad price for this. All right, so here's the other thing. Another thing that I got was I've got 3 diamond paintings I'm going to show in this video. So the first one I got is a 20 by 30, which is probably more like a 15 by 20 or a 15 by 25. It does come with a regular toolkit, which is a green boat, a square of wax, and a single placer pen, which is all you need to do a diamond painting. So here are the colors. I hope y'all can see them. I've got purple, red, black, some beige, lighter beige, just different shades of purple, red, blues. So, and it's a full round. So this is what I got. It's a little gnome. As y'all know, I love my gnomes, although I have gotten away from getting a lot of gnome diamond paintings because I've got plenty. But if I see one that is something that's not, I don't know, something that's different, I'll go ahead and get it. But I only gave, let's see, I think I just threw that paper away. Oh my goodness, what did I do with that paper? $2.98 for this. And like I said, it's a gnome. It's got the American flag in the background. He's got a guitar that is red, white, and blue. Has 14 colors. It is all the alphabet. And it is DMC charted. Very sticky. And very clear. I don't know if y'all can see with it, with the glare on it, but it is very clear. So, not bad. Alright, so here is another diamond painting. I gave $2.48 for this one. Why am I having so many issues trying to open these things anymore? Okay. So again, regular toolkit. It's got round drills, and we've got burgundies, blues, different shades of blues. We've got some reds, greens, purples, very pretty colors. Alright, so what did I get? Y'all, this one was so cute. I had to get it. So this is what I got. It's a little 20 by 20 gnome. And he is holding a great big huge maple leaf in one hand. And then over here in this hand, he has got a jack-o'-lantern. So this is a nice small fall Halloween project. Because I know with Drills and Chills and then anybody else doing any other events where it is Halloween or fall related, this one would work. But I love the colors in it. I thought it was really cute. Very good stick. It is very clear. And this is a quick one. 14 colors. It is using the alphabet. And it is DMC charted. So, not bad, not bad. Alright, so the last thing that I have in this video is another diamond painting. Now, I gave $2.98 for this one. Again, regular toolkit. It's round drills. Lots of greens, reds, yellows, some blues. These are just darker colors. So, the one I got was this one. Now, I cannot remember what his name is, but he is on the Looney Tunes cartoon character. I just can't remember what his name is. So, if anybody knows, leave it in the comment section there for me. I don't know why I want to say Marvin the Martian, but I don't think that's it. But he is cute. All of this is color blocking. So this is going to go really quick. 12 colors, Has the alphabet, DMC. As y'all can see, it is very cute. So yeah, 20 by 30. So is that the one? PJ 209. Yeah. All right. So that is my little haul, or my stuff that I got in this haul. So this is a short video, but I hope everyone likes the video. And again, please do all the YouTube things like comment, share, and subscribe, of course. And yeah, so like I said, I will leave a link to all of these in the description box if they're still available with the prices. So if you have not tried Temu before, I know there's a lot of controversy going on with the app and stuff, but oh my God, what's not affiliated with, you know, all the bad in the world? So everything has to be, there has to be something bad with everything. So whatever, it's your choice whether you want to download the app. It doesn't bother me one way or the other. But this is what I got, and all links are in the description box. So until my next video, y'all, I will see you later. Bye, y'all.